Can't get any lighter yet. All right. So it's a 127 black motor. What kind of motor though?
Ultima?
Yeah, what kind of motor though?
Oh, let's go with twin cam.
Twin turd?
Twin turd.
No.
Evo?
Wrong.
The new one? Whatever that
This
is?
is going to Germany. So we got extra parts. So this top end gasket, 4 1/4 bore, 120, 127.
Okay.
These are the 4-inch bore gaskets they sent me.
Okay, that's a problem.
Is it a problem?
I don't think so.
This is what bore?
4 1/4.
These are what bore?
4.
Oh. I suppose there's a problem there. There's some plug wires.
Okay.
Coil, because it doesn't come with ignition. It comes with ignition, but no coil. So you need coil and plug wires to make it run, right?
There you go.
So I think ahead. And new camshaft for it, because we're going to take out the hot rod cam and put the mild cam in and make better torque motor out of it. And they didn't want to do it, so they just had to buy a cam. Because the motor was on sale.
Yeah.
So if I paid full price for the motor, they would have put the cam in there for free, but it didn't cost more. It's cheaper to buy the cam than to put it in. And this is the rocker box gasket kit. For what? 120, 127 again.
Oh, is that what we're looking for?
Put the motor in. You figure that out.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody came in this box. I don't know if that's going to open up. Does that seem like it's going to open up to you?
Doesn't look like it.
I think they fully encapsulated that one in there.
Hmm.
Oh, oh, it's down there. It's glued in. I hurt myself getting this thing apart. They packed it very well.
I would hope so.
Oh, that one goes way down there. Oh shit, it goes down to that deep.
Oh, damn.
No wonder it won't come off. Wrapped around the motor. Well, it looks like a motor. I'm not pulling that out.
Looks like that.
It's going to Germany, so I don't want to unpack it. Because it's pretty well glued together. When it goes down to that deep, it's around the whole motor. Yeah, it's a 127 Ultima. So you saw the video I did in the 120 Ultima. This is the stroker motor. This is the hot rod version. But we're still going to put a mild cam in it. It'll rev a little quicker. I think these are rated like 135 horsepower. And torque, probably equal. The cam will drop probably about 10 to 15 off that number. But it should drop the power band by probably 800 to 1,000 RPM.
Wow.
So it'll bring it down to where it's a nice torquey motor, but it'll accelerate hard.
Nice. That'll be fun.
It's an Evo. It still looks like a Harley motor, more or less. So in Germany, you're not allowed to change things, but we're not going to tell them.
All right.
Put it in. So, but I got some extra gasket and stuff for them, so you can change out the cam. And probably go in the head and clean the heads up a little bit and do some little porting in there. He wanted to make it run a little better. I told him just run it the way it is. If you weren't happy, then take it apart.
That would
But
make sense.
Like me, I think he's going to go just take it apart.
Just take it apart.
Yeah. Freshen it. It's like me.
Yep.
So, but that's why I got an extra. I actually got 2 top end kits and 1 full motor kit. So they don't have enough parts to take it apart a couple times without a problem. And like I said, I got the rest of the ignition, so it'll all fire up. Comes with the ignition module already with it. And he's going to reuse his old alternator. He has a 98 road turd bike, so Evo bike. So instead of one of those crappy twin cam bikes, you just put a big ass Evo motor in there and just screw that twin cam.
Makes sense.
But we do upgrade the swing arm to a twin cam swing arm though.
Good idea.
They're a lot stronger. The early ones break. The slots break out here. Especially put a big motor too. I used to have broken one. Looks like I tossed it finally. Anyway, they break the back out here. He's going to wind up cut this off and put a damn slider style, adjustable one on there.
Oh yeah.
So he might do that. I don't know. He can run it the way it is, but if he's going to run that motor hard, he'll have to do something because this ain't going to keep it straight back here. These eccentrics would do not stay straight when you get after it. So okay, we got a brake. We need a rear wheel. So we got a rear wheel. This I think the wheel goes all the way through 8. So 2 through 8 because it's got the 1-inch bearing. And so I don't care. It's whatever. It's going to match up to the 90's wheel, so it's not going to match anyway. So we just need something to put air in. 3-inch, 16, almost up. So you got a wheel? Let me know. All right, that's it for that.